Alright, hello everyone. It is problem number problem number 4, I guess. So let's start. N rectangulars are given. Find the maximal area among these figures. So first, the number n, the number of rectangulars, is fed to the input. Then n lines with 4 numbers coordinates of opposite corners of rectangular x1, y1, x2, y2 are fed to the input. One number is the maximum area of the shape entered. So let me paraphrase this. We have n rectangulars. First of all, we input n, and this is the number of our rectangulars. And then we have 4 coordinates. It is this is coordinates on y and x axis. I hope you understand it. So it consists of 2 dots. For example, 1 1, its first coordinates of the first rectangular. For example, we start from this dot point, and 1 we have x and y of the first point. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So this is this point. And the second point to 2. So 2 is here. And this is the opposite corners of our rectangular. So our rectangular will be like this. It's a rectangular 1 by 1. And let's consider another example, 1 and 2. Let me erase this one. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is there, and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will have such rectangular. Okay, so, and you may ask, how we can find the square of this rectangular? It's 2 by 2, of course it's 2 multiplied by 2, but what if we have only coordinates? We have x1, y1, x2, y2. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how we can find these numbers? We can just on every axis we can say that it is equal to x2 minus x1. So this thing oh sorry, it's y-axis. So it's 4 and it's 2, so this thing is y2 minus y1, and this thing is 3 minus 1. That means x2 minus x1. I hope you understand. Okay, so let me real fast do this. We need a lot of libraries. So first of all, include IOStream, include the math. We will use Vecta, by the way. So include Vecta. And I forgot something. Using namespace std. Okay, so let's create function. Let's create function. Okay, so first of all, we input n, so int n, sin n, sin n, we input n, and then we can do cycle that for I is equal to n until I is more or equal than n, and we less or equal than n, and we do plus 1 into I every cycle. Okay. Sorry. From 1 until n. Yeah. Now it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. So we input variables xy, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then sin x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, I hope it's clear. So we input variables. So we need to find the maximum square of rectangular. We can create a list of numbers of squares and find the maximum element of this list. So let me create a variable final, and it's equal to x2 minus x1 multiplied by y2 minus y1. So it's the square of our first rectangular and then second rectangular until n. So, and we need to create vector. Let's call it vec. And now let's add so a vec. I forgot how to call it. Pushback. Vec dot. Wait, what? Yeah, wait dot pushback final. So we add every rectangular in our array. So next step, we need to see out the maximum, its maximum element, because it's array, of vec begin until vec end. Okay, so, and of course handle and return 0. Yeah, I think it's really easy to understand. So for example, we have two rectangulars, okay? Wait. What is missing? I forgot some module. I forgot algorithm, of course. Okay. Stack include algorithm. Now I think it's working. Nah. I was not declared in the scope. Oh, of course. We need to this. Yeah, and of course, like this. And Of course, this one. And what else? What else? Int, of course, int there. So I think it's all. No much operator. Wait, am I right? Begin, end. Oh, of course I missed it. Sorry guys, today is not my day. Yeah. Now we have two rectangulars. We input 2, and then coordinates of the first rectangular is 3, 1, 0, 0. So 3, 1, 0, 0, and 10, 10, 11, 11. 10, 10, 11, 11. So we will get 3 as output there. So there was really easy. You can do it even without vector, just maximum and okay. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.